Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass. Now, I pride myself on being as honest as possible when it comes to a review. I'll go over the great, the good, the bad, and also the worst. However, in today's video, it's possibly the most perfect product that I've ever tested. This is the MagEZ slider from Pitaka, and it's by far the best wireless charger that I've ever used. It's a 3-in-1 wireless charger with a dock, power bank, and also a place for your wireless earbuds, so let's take a look. But first, a little bit of housekeeping. The EZ slider is going to be linked in that description down below and comes in at around $129. Now you can also get an adapter for the Apple Watch, which is kind of like a dongle that sticks out the side for an extra $59 to allow you to charge your Apple Watch along with everything else in this video. Now it's compatible with every iPhone from the iPhone 12 and upwards, so it does have to have MagSafe. However, if like me you do have a Galaxy S22 for example, you can also get their MagEZ case too, and that gives you all of the MagSafe compatibility that you would normally have with an iPhone. And I've done a full video down below on some new accessories from Pitaka that feature this MagEZ technology. So first up in the box, very quickly you're going to get the wall brick, USB-C to C cable, the earbud shelf as I'm going to call it, a magnetic power bank, and also the dock itself. So taking a quick look around the dock, you have a nice sticky reusable gel pad on the bottom, and this basically means that the dock won't be going anywhere when you're taking the power bank in and out. Now this can also be easily cleaned and reused as needed. The side has a USB-C port which can be used with the Apple Watch dongle which I mentioned beforehand, or you can actually plug in another device just with a standard USB-C cable. Now it's not the fastest charging, but it's handy to have in a pinch. And then on the back here, as you can see from this logo, we do have the wireless charging section for the earbuds. Now it does come with this magnetic shelf like I mentioned beforehand, and the great thing about this is it can be put at two different heights. So if for example you do have the Apple AirPods or AirPods Pro with a really small case, then the shelf can be attached slightly higher up, or there is also a lower section as well for bigger earbuds, for me like the Nothing Ear ones. And you don't even have to reach around the back and fumble around with anything because the whole dock actually rotates, which is a really cool feature that I've not really seen before. There are some other 3-in-1 or 2-in-1 devices that charge multiple things all in one station, but for this one it just rotates around. If you want to grab your phone, switch it around and grab your earbuds, you've got the option to do so, which is really convenient. Next up then we have the wireless power bank. So this is a 4000 mAh power bank that uses MagSafe to wirelessly charge your device while out and about. It attaches to the back of your device with a very satisfying click. This thing isn't going to be going anywhere. Now it also has the same aramid fibers of Pitaka's cases, so you know that it's going to be really strong and really durable over time. Now it does also have a nice weight to it, but it's not necessarily too heavy. When I had it on the back of my S22 Plus, which already is quite a large heavy device, it didn't really make too much difference, and the curve on the back of the power bank as well means that it actually fits really nicely into the hand. Now you also have a button just under the magnets to check the power left in the bank with these hidden LEDs. So that's all the different parts. Let's put it together and see exactly how it's going to work. So of course you first connect the USB-C cable to the base. The earbud shelf goes on the back along with your earbuds of choice. And like I mentioned, for me it's the Nothing Ear ones, so I'm going to have the shelf in that lower position, and then the power bank slides into place. You take the protective paper off the bottom of the gel pad and then you put it where you want to, and like I mentioned, this thing is not going anywhere, so make sure that you put it in a place that you know is going to be really useful and there long term. Now like I mentioned, you can move it and the gel pad is reusable, but just in terms of ease of convenience, I would definitely find a place at the start and maybe try and keep it there. And then you place your phone down and you're ready to go. Your earbuds are charging, the power bank is charging, and also has power pass through to your phone, so your phone is charging. This is probably the most Apple product that Apple hasn't made. Then when you're ready to head out, rotate the dock, take your earbuds, and then you can just take off your phone, or if you do need a little bit of extra juice or it's not fully charged, slide it upwards to take it out with the power bank. And like I mentioned, the power bank and phone setup is surprisingly compact and of course has a bigger battery capacity than Apple's offering. Now like I mentioned, the magnets are super strong, so even taking it in and out of jeans is no issue at all. Overall it's compact but super handy. But what if someone with maybe a slightly older device that doesn't have MagSafe wants to use your power bank to charge their device? Well, that also, like I mentioned, has that USB-C port on the bottom, which normally goes into the dock. You can just connect a USB-C cable and use it like a standard power bank as well. Now, like I mentioned at the start of this video, I do like to be as honest as possible with reviews, so what's actually bad about the MagEZ slider? Because it can't all be good. So like I mentioned, the whole dock rotates. Now for a lot of people this is really handy because like I mentioned, you don't have to reach around the back or kind of fumble around with anything. You just turn it around, take what you need and you're ready to go. However, there's no sort of lock to this turning mechanism. So anytime you remove your device or put your device in, it will shift around ever so slightly and it does rotate. It does have a clicking sound to it, which you can hear now. But just in general, it would be nice to have a locking mechanism on there if you did want to keep it in a standard position all day, every day. Now, the wireless charging on the Easy slider only comes in at 5 watts. Now, for me, something like the Galaxy S22 Plus can do more than 5 watts wirelessly. Now, something like the iPhone, that's a pretty good wireless charging speed and pretty standard across the range for MagSafe, but again, an iPhone does have a smaller battery capacity, so in terms of the charging speed, it could definitely be a little bit better, maybe even 10 or 15 watts, but then again, I don't know how that would affect the heat and just in general how good the battery capacity actually is. And that's going to do it, guys, for the Easy slider from Pitaka. Now, like I mentioned, and I hope that it came across in this video, this was probably the best MagSafe or wireless charging accessory that I've actually found. Now, of course, it's going to be linked in that description down below. However, if you guys have any MagSafe accessories or any wireless charging accessories that you're currently using, then let me know in the comments section down below. Obviously, with the Pitaka case that I've got on my S22 Plus, I can basically use Apple's full range of MagSafe accessories with an Android device, so that may be some fun videos coming up. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up down below, and if you're not already subscribed, now's a great time to do so, and once you've hit that subscribe button, don't forget to turn on all notifications so you're notified anytime I post a video here on the channel. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass, thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.